Hello children, again welcome to Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya English Medium. Wow, myself Sangeeta Rodrigues, your computer teacher for class 3. Today we are going to start lesson number 9 and that is commands. Okay, you have learned about logo na? So we are going to learn commands. Okay children? Chalo. Now what we are going to learn in this chapter? Forward, backward, right, left, home, set, clear screen, clear text, hide turtle, show turtle, repeat and buy. These are the commands we are going to learn from this chapter. So first of all, introduction. As you already know, the instructions that you give to a computer are called commands. Whatever instructions you are going to the computer, okay, that is called commands. And in logo, it is called keywords. But here in logo, we can say that we are going to perform. We are going to give logo to perform specific kinds of tasks. So in logo we can say that the commands are also called primitives. We can say primitives also. Okay, and we can say commands also. Okay, and let us now learn some basic commands. Okay, when you first start logo, you can see the turtle is always the center of the screen, and that is called home of the turtle. Okay, whenever you start the logo, you can see the turtle at the middle center of the screen. Okay, middle part of the screen, and that is the home of the turtle. Okay, so this you have to keep in your mind. Okay, forward command. Now what is forward? Forward means to go ahead. Okay, so here forward command is used to move your turtle forward side, ahead side. Okay, for that forward command is used, and FD is the shortcut key for short form for the forward command. You should have to remember this forward and FD. Okay, you can write forward also and you can write FD also. This is same. Got it children? Okay, now how you can use? ओके फॉरवर्ड कमांड हम कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मूव योर माउस पॉइंटर इनटू इनपुट बॉक्स वेयर यू आर राइटिंग द commands. Okay, in command input box, then when you keep your mouse pointer over there, your mouse pointer turns into cursor. Okay, one blinking line. Now you can type forward or FD. Okay, you can type forward or FD. Then after you have to press the enter key. Once you have to press the enter key, then after again you have to write the number of steps. For example, 100, 90, 200. Okay, so and then you have to click on execute button, otherwise you can press the enter key. Okay, so you have written FD space 100. It means your turtle will move 100 space forward. Got it children? It is very easy. Okay, now you in your mind you have one question that ये turtle कैसे move करता है, वो कैसे measurement करता है? So here we can see the blank area, but actually it is a row and column is there. Okay, square is there. So like that the turtle measures the number of steps and then it moves. Okay, now the square in the main screen is fixed. Okay, square जो है वो fix होता है. If you give FD 800, then your turtle moves your whole screen and then come back from the down. Got it? Now next one is a backward command. Now what is the meaning of forward? To go ahead. And what is the meaning of backward? Backward means to go back. Yes, so backward command is used to move your cursor opposite direction. ओके उसका जो फेसिंग है उसके ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आपका कमांड मूव होगा. एंड BK is the short form for the backward command. Now how you can write the command? Okay, go to the input box, then write backward or BK, then give space, then write the number of step, for example 100. So you have written BK space 100. Now you can press the enter key or click on execute button. Okay, when you click on execute button and when you press the enter key, your turtle will move 100 steps back side. Okay, and here you can give opposites also. BK minus 100, it means it will your turtle will move forward. And if you give FD minus 100, so your turtle will move back side. Now next one is the right command. The right command turns the head of the turtle towards the right side, that is in the clockwise direction. It means you can turn your turtle to the right side with the use of right command. Okay, in same position. It will not move from that place. Okay, but in same place, same position, the turtle only turns the face, okay, in the clockwise direction. Okay, and the short form for the right command is RT. Now using the RT command को कैसे use करते हैं? Okay, first of all type right or RT, then after give the space bar, type the number of steps, for example 90, and press enter key. It means you have turned your turtle to right side by 90 degree. Now next is left command. Left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left side. Okay, right means right side, so left means left side. Okay, it will turn the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and the short form for the left command is LT. Okay, now how you can write? Input box में जाओ, type left or LT, press the space bar key, and then type the number of steps, for example 90, and press enter key. It means you have turn your turtle left side by 90 degree. Okay, now next one is a home command. होम ओके जैसे पहले स्टार्ट किया था दैट टाइम आई ओनली टोल्ड यू दैट व्हाट इज द होम. होम इज द position of the turtle. Whenever you start the logo, you will see the turtle at the middle of the screen, that is home. Okay, now you can use home command to draw anything like plus. Okay, so the home command brings the turtle back to its starting position. The starting position of turtle is the center of the main screen with its head pointing upward. As the other command you have learned so far, the turtle draws a line as it moves. So you can even use the home command to draw. You can draw a plus sign using home command. See here. In input box, write FD space 100. So your turtle will move forward 100 space. Now then again type home. When you type home and press the enter key, your turtle will come back to the home position, center of the screen. Then BK 100. So your turtle will move backward to 100 steps. Then home. Again your turtle will come to the home position. Okay, middle of the screen. RT 90, your turtle turns towards 90 degree right side. FD 100, your turtle move forward 100 steps right side. Home. Now again your turtle come back to the home position, starting position. LT 90, turtle turns towards left side by 90 degree. And then FD 100, turtle moves 100 steps left side. Got it? So like this you can use home command. Next is set command. See children, set command we can use in place of RT and LT. It moves only it moves only clockwise directions. Okay, it will not move anti-clockwise directions. Okay, and then turns the turtle head in the clockwise direction accordingly. Okay, now next is clear screen command. The clear screen command clears the drawing on the screen and brings the turtle back to the starting position. The short form for the clear screen command is CS. So children, here clear screen, whatever you have drawn, okay, on the main screen, if you want to clear that, then you have to give clear screen command or CS. Okay, when you give CS and you press enter key, तो क्या होगा, whatever you have drawn, it will remove and your turtle will come back to the starting position, home position. Next is clear text command. You know that the recall list works in the command window, shows you a list of commands you have entered. Okay, recall list box, in recall list box, in command, in input box, you are writing whatever the commands, it will move forward, it will move to the recall list box. And now you have filled out your recall list box. Now you want to erase, you want to clear your recall list box, then you can use the clear text command. Okay, you write clear text or CT and then press enter key. Whatever you have written commands in input in recall list box, it will be clear. Got it? Now next is hide turtle command. Hide turtle command is used for hiding the turtle so that you can see the drawing more clearly. Hide the turtle and then give a command like FD50, the turtle will still draw a line even though you cannot see the turtle on the screen. See children, hide means what? Hide means छुपा देना. Yes, so if you want to hide the turtle, so you can give the hide turtle or HT command. Okay, when you give HT and then after you type the FD100. Okay, so your turtle will move forward. Okay, but you cannot see the turtle. Okay, next is show turtle. So after hiding the turtle, you have to make turtle to reappear again on the screen. So show turtle is the command to reappear the turtle. Okay, whatever you have given the hide turtle command. And short form for the show turtle command is ST. Next is repeat command. See children, repeat means what? बार बार जो होता है वो. Okay, with this command you can instruct logo to execute the given command the desired number of times. You have to instruct logo two things along with the repeat command. Okay, बार बार एक ही command देते हैं, उससे अच्छा we can give repeat command. Okay, and how many times you want to repeat them, that number you have to give, and which command you want to repeat, that command you have to give. Okay, it is given here, drawing a square with the repeat command. Okay, first type repeat in input box, command input box, type repeat, then space, then 4, then in bracket FD100 RT90. So what will the result of this? It will draw a square. Okay, if you want to draw a square without repeat command, without use of repeat command, then you have to type like this: FD100 RT90, enter, FD100 RT90, enter, FD100 RT90, enter, FD100 RT90, enter. Okay, 4 times you have to type same command. Okay, अगर वो नहीं करना है then you can use repeat command. Okay, next one is a by command. As you learn in the previous chapter also, by means to exit from the logo. If you want to close your logo, you can type by and press the enter key. So you can close your logo like this only. Okay children, otherwise you can go to the right corner of the close button and you can close it. Got it? So this is your chapter number 9. Okay, read it properly at home, do the exercise very carefully, okay, and read the worksheets also children. Okay, and all the best for your exam. Okay, do well. Okay, be happy and take care all of you. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you beta. Bye.